Spatial personas are an absolute game changer for remote collaboration. Here is Matt and I playing with a Sega Genesis in our space. He's there, broken free of the normal frames of the persona experience. Now he's playing with a keyboard, and I can see in real time as he's rotating, and this object really feels like it's in our space together. So cool. Now he's pretending to play. There's no sound effects yet. That would be pretty next level, actually. But yeah, there's spatial audio, and there's this real sense that he's actually in the room with me. Now I have made a 3D model from a text prompt using beautifulthings.xyz and downloaded it to my Files app, and then bringing it into a Shareplay of Freeform. Then he's able to see it. He can then zoom in and again rotate it. It's so cool to be able to bring concepts to life so quickly and have this shared presence together. Then, yep, a little rock, paper, scissors action. Timing of that did not quite work, but yeah, still super cool. And then to show you a little bit of how it works, when you drag this window around, the boundary appears, and you can see there's like this representation of the play space. And then the person turns into an icon as you're dragging the window around, and then it turns back into the persona. So really incredible work from Apple.